So excited to bring this amazing property on Sumas Mountain today. It's on Udi Road. It's 5 acres. It's perched right at the top of the mountain, so you've got amazing views. It's a sprawling 3,000 square foot house with a triple garage. But we're here to show you the peace and the privacy of Sumas Mountain. The birds are chirping, the sun is out, we're looking at Mount Baker. You are gonna love this place. Come on in, let's have a look. As you can see, this place is turnkey and ready to move into right away, but you could easily go in and do all kinds of renovations to make this the perfect tailored place for your family. There's not too many 5 acre properties that had something like this. Now, if I was a kid, I'd be here all day building dams and pools, and you'd have your own natural cold plunge tub just over here that you could spend time in. This is absolutely cool and super unique. Where do you ever find this? See, I told you this place is absolutely amazing. But hey, if you want to take a private look at this place, email us info@hardyteam.ca. We'd love to meet with you. Or if you're just curious about what your property's worth in today's market, we'd love to give you a detailed, no obligation evaluation of your place. Anyways, have a great day. Enjoy the day.